Burkina Faso's president Ibrahim Traore has started a massive project to build houses for the people. He wants to make sure that no one in the country is homeless. The plan is to build thousands of new homes across Burkina Faso, giving families a safe place to live. This is a huge step towards helping poor people and making life better for everyone.
What would be? Papa, when you tell me born with the media, who say my catcher say, I am not MPP NDC. I am for Mother Ghana. I am for Africa. It's Obia Sabi, Obey do not send Ibrahim Traore to me the meeting to woman. So what I say? Because we can Jimmy African leaders here, Omo Jimmy Omo in the name of way, Obi Timmy Tam Sika, yes in Nigeria, I $1 trillion. No, they are going to a few America, Kwasiasema at the highest order. No, the rich girls. This man has lived what we call a reasonable life. He's going to 3 years. He hasn't changed.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, baby, I'll be having the check in the mouth. The name is Ben Bruce. I have here Xposed GH. Subscribe, share, yeah, the tumpa now on Sa Akabi. Ibrahim Traore, the man of the moment, Africa's president, the small boy who has big brains, the man who has shattered a kukurafona woman in Yansano. Ibrahim Traore has some Americano. One Ghana, ye ko bu nyankopon ye ko bu ehwa na ye se ye de si nyankopon agimienti ye bu edan ye si wo nyina ye wie etu am na de 58 million SA no. Ai ye say no kwa anya metua e ka no. Ibrahim Traore and Osisi Dayama, the ordinary people. And on your friend, governance. Governance is caring for the people. Governance is what? Making sure say lives are better.
Burkina Faso's president Ibrahim Traore has started a massive project to build houses for the people. He wants to make sure that no one in the country is homeless. The plan is to build thousands of new homes across Burkina Faso, giving families a safe place to live. This is a huge step towards helping poor people and making life better for everyone. His government is working day and night to make this dream a reality. Many workers have already started construction, and soon the first families will move into their new homes. People in Burkina Faso are happy and excited about this great change. Many believe this project will change the country forever. Homelessness has been a big problem for years, but now, with President Traore's bold action, hope is returning. Families who once struggled on the streets will finally have a roof over their heads. This project is not just about houses. It is about giving people dignity and a fresh start. With this incredible effort, President Traore is proving that he cares for his people.
What would be? Papa, when you tell me born with the media, who say my catcher say, I am not MPP NDC. I am for Mother Ghana. I am for Africa. It's Obia Sabi, Obey do not send Ibrahim Traore to me the meeting to woman. Because Sabi, Sagana Edi Yamedi. Se Africa di ya mediye se say no light abeto wiase ya Burkina Faso the light of the world ehon na Jesus akopie so what I say because we Jimmy African leaders here omo Jimmy omo ho in the name of way obi Timmy Tam Sika yes in Nigeria $1 trillion no me akoto to a few America Kwasiasema at the highest order no the rich girls. This man has lived what we call a reasonable life. He's going to 3 years. He hasn't changed because he's focused. His mind is there. Time in Africa, yes, says this man has shown say we don't need the West. I say, what are you doing here? You don't need them. Museveni, sa papa na ni chika krakana 80 years no. What now so what can you say Africa still need them? And I'm so you see, no wonder such idiotic mind, such stupidity mind. How do you go on? Yeah, leaders say yeah. How do we go on as people? Yes, Museveni, Uganda said yeah, president. So it is possible. Say Burkina, Mali, Niger, Omonika, Ghana, ya de Cabebre. I yes, because we are still doing the same stupid things over and over again. We haven't learned. Say for radicalism and bad governance mu na ye jeja kwasi asem bia ye aye kokoko seminar na ya nyanyama na ya ntonto sa V8 kwasi V8 ni etwi enye ye ne ye etwi na ye nkwanim. Say ye njai government expenditure bia hu hia paper keke aye betu Jubilee House ni abo $100 million. Ye bought dollars as if say we are mad. You know how much $1 billion can do? And when I'm president, $2 million na Ghana ko tuya for SkyTrain and Munim said we don't have the capacity to produce. That's how stupid we are as people. Yes. Ni yakotuya mobile with this cano 58 million. Ni yakotu amna ni a swimming pool. Jimmy Pro Max. Okay, this man has shown a way. Nene mati bibi say. When mobile friend Thomas Sankara, honestly Burkina Faso ni enko hemra.
Burkina Faso had a hero in 1987. Now it has another. Thomas Sankara, one of the greatest Pan-African leaders, once said, "Let us try to eat what we control ourselves." His mission was to make Burkina Faso self-reliant in food production. But in 1987, his best friend, Blaise Compaoré, was paid to assassinate him. Sankara's dream for the Burkinabe people died with him. Fast forward 35 years. On the very day Sankara was killed, a baby was born. Someone who would grow up to become his ideological successor, Captain Ibrahim Traore. Yesterday, Traore inaugurated a brand new flour mill owned by a local Burkinabe. For decades, Burkina Faso believed it couldn't grow its own wheat. But Traore changed that. He encouraged farmers to plant wheat, and the results were astonishing. Now, Burkina Faso has not just wheat fields, but also a pasta factory and a flour mill, proving that self-reliance is possible.
You see, before anything happens physically, it happens spiritually. Thomas Sankara by not all the same vim, not all the same mindset. On one downfall, and na Okuno, backed by France and other leaders. 33 years on, then na yeku Thomas Sankara and na yawo Ibrahim Traore. Check it, yes. Jesus was 33 when he died. 33 is the name. Yedi beginning, starting bibi. So exactly 33 years. Sade na yeku Thomas Sankara. Sade ni yawo Ibrahim Traore. It's mimi there. Nia oyen me who said Thomas Sankara. Soon na wo Ibrahim Traore. Because at the end na sabe France and other people stopping on. Nyankopon say it will come on and on e basu. Because we share near Burkina Faso a bro adwene ntiase so. Ba ye bekọ ye nim aha Xposed HFM Ben Bruce. O subscribe ya subscribe me to pronounce akabi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.